Like every single year, we start this 2022 trying to be like super organized and have things in our home that are functional, but that can also add a really nice decor touch in our home. But sometimes buying those things can be a little bit expensive. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all of that good stuff for your kitchen, but we are going to be working really budget friendly. And welcome back to my channel. My name is Jazz, and if you are new here and you like home decor, DIYs, and projects on a budget, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I'm going to be uploading new videos. And like I said, for today's video, we're going to be doing some DIYs, and I'm going to share with you some organization hacks that you can DIY yourself. You're going to save so much money. I'm going to be using things that I have around my home, things that are really inexpensive, and supplies from Dollar Tree. I hope that you like and that you enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please that big thumbs up. It really helps to support this channel. And make sure that you follow me on all my social media pages, guys. I have been posting so much on Instagram, so many stories, reels, pictures about my home decor, DIYs, organization, lifestyle, so many things that you cannot see on this YouTube channel. So make sure that you follow me on my Instagram. The link is going to be in the description box, as well as my webpage, jazomy.com. We post every single week. And yeah, guys, we're going to be doing some really good DIYs and decor pieces for our kitchen, so let's DIY together. Okay, to start this project, you can use this sign from Dollar Tree. You can find these on the Valentine's section or in the spring section too. But this time I decided to use this wooden plaque that I just have at home, and I really like it because it's super thick, and I got it from Walmart on clearance for like 98 cents or something like that. So this is what I'm going to be using for this project. Now you can stain these, you can paint it. I decided to use some wax in antique color from Ruggable, and I just add a little bit of water, and this is going to help me a lot to paint my wood and make it just a little bit lighter. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to paint the whole piece with the wax, and then I'm going to be drying everything with my heat tool. Like I always said, I love this tool. I use it in so many projects, basically on every single project when I'm painting, and I got it from Amazon. I have this tool for like 2 years now, and it's still working pretty good. So I'm going to leave you the link in the description box of this video. Once this piece of wood is dry, I'm going to be using 2 of these cake pans from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using 2. I'm going to remove the sticker, and then I'm going to be using some black spray paint, and I'm going to spray paint these outside, and then I'm going to let them dry. Once they are painted, this is how they look. Now I'm going to start sticking these one of the cake pans on the bottom part of the piece of wood that I have. I'm going to be using hot glue, but if you want these to be a little bit stronger, you can use E6000 or super glue. Once I have that cake pan stick to my piece of wood, I'm going to be working on the other cake pan. What I'm going to be doing is to add some marbles on my cake pan, and this is super cool because this is going to make this piece like a Lazy Susan, and it's so cool. You just have to add some marbles on the other cake pan and just add the other whole piece on top, and that's it. You have a really nice, simple, and budget-friendly Lazy Susan. You can use these to organize like spices and things like that, or you can use it as a decor piece on your dining table or on your kitchen. You can add some decor, and that's it. For this project, I'm going to be using this sign that you can get at Dollar Tree, and it's super cool because you can do, oh my god, like so many DIYs with these signs. This time I decided to do something really easy and fun, perfect for organize and for decorate your home. I'm going to start using some Ruggable chalk paints in this moss color that I love and I'm obsessed with, and actually it's pretty trendy right now for this 2022. So I'm going to be painting my sign with 2 really good coats of paint, and I'm going to be drying everything with my heat tool. Once this sign is completely dry, I'm going to be working with these universal tool hooks that you can get at Dollar Tree. They come in a set of 5. So I decided just to change the color to make it a little bit more modern. I'm going to be using some black spray paint. I'm going to spray paint them outside and then let them dry. Now I spray paint 4 hooks, but I decided to use only 3 for my project. So I'm going to be measuring to make sure that they all are like centralized on my sign, and then I'm going to add a screw with my drill, and that's it. Once you have that part ready, you can paint the screws in black color just to make it match with the hooks, and that's it. You can add a tooth hanger on the back side of this sign to be able to hang these on the wall, and this is how my project turned out. You can add some decorations, you can add like kitchen utensil items that you use a lot, and it looks so beautiful with this modern touch that I love. For this next project, I'm going to be using this wooden circular plaque that I get from Walmart for like 97 cents, I think, but I'm pretty sure you can find something similar at Dollar Tree. I'm also going to be using a candle holder. You can find a candle holder from Dollar Tree. I just have this one at home. It's made out of wood and I really like it, so I'm going to be reusing this one, and I get it from Amazon. I'm going to leave you the link in the description box of the video, and I'm just going to stick these 2 pieces together, and I already stained them with some wax in antique color. I'm going to be using this trifle container that you can get at the party section at Dollar Tree, and I really like the shape, and I just decided to do like a small makeover on this piece. I'm going to be working like on the bottom part of it, and I'm going to change the color. I want to paint this black, but before painting this black, I just want to add like a small piece of cardboard just to make it look more like a lead. Hope that makes sense. But basically I'm going to trace the shape that it has on my piece of cardboard, and then I'm going to cut it and then just stick it with some hot glue. Once I stick that, I'm going to be painting that part of this trifle container with some Waverly chalk paint in black color. I'm going to give it like 2 really good coats of paint, let it dry, and then I can remove the sticker. Once I remove the tape, this is how it's looking, and I just have to add these on the other part of this project, and this is how this DIY turned out. You can create like a really nice cupcake stand out of this container and these pieces of wood, and I just love it. It was so on a budget and it looks super cute, nice. You can add some cupcakes or maybe cookies inside, and it's going to look beautiful on your kitchen. Do you have seen these Ziploc bag storage organizers that are like super trendy right now? Everybody is buying these, but I will love to organize my Ziploc bags because I have them in all the sizes. But these organizers are pretty expensive, from like $59, $69, $48. So I decided to DIY my own Ziploc bag organizer. I went to Dollar Tree and grabbed these organizer bin tins that you see. You can find these in the kitchen section. So I got one large one and two medium ones. The medium ones comes in a set of two, which is pretty nice. I'm only going to be using three of the smaller ones and only one of the big one. These organizers are pretty nice because you can attach them together and you can create like any form or any shape that you want with them. So that's what I did. This is the way that I put them all together. Now I want to change the color. I want the outside to look a little bit more modern, so I decided to go with some spray paint in black color. I spray paint this outside and then let it dry. Now that I have these painted, I'm going to be working with like the lid of these. So for that, you can use maybe like jumbo popsicle sticks, but this time I decided to go with these stir sticks that you can get at Lowe's, Walmart, Home Depot for like less than $1, and just start measuring all of them to see where I need to cut them. I use only 2 packages of these, which means that you're going to use a total of 6 stir sticks. With my saw machine, I cut 5 stir sticks about 12 inches long and 2 other ones about 8 inches long. So I have that part ready. I want to change the color. I still want these to look made out of wood, so I decided to use just some wax and antique color, and to make it a little bit lighter, just add a little bit of water. Once I paint everything, I'm going to be drying all of the wood with my heat tool. Once they are all dry, it's time to start sticking them together. First, I'm going to be making like a square piece with 4 of these stir sticks. I'm going to stick them together with my my hot glue gun, but you can use a wooden glue just to make it a little bit more stronger. Now that I have this square piece, I'm going to be using the containers just to measure where I need to stick the rest of the stir sticks. And guys, I am DIYing this project just because I want to save some money. But if you like the ones from Amazon and you don't want to like DIY anything, of course you can buy them. I'm going to leave you the link of the ones that I was inspired by in the description box of this video, so you can check them. But if you want to just save some money, you can recreate this DIY, and you can send me some pictures of your projects on my Instagram, DIY by Jazz. So make sure that you follow me over there too. Now, because this is going to be for my Ziploc bags, I decided to add some stickers that I did with my Cricut that says quart, snack, sandwich, and gallon. Or you can paint these by hand, or you can use like a stencil or something like that. And now the final part is just to add all of the Ziplocs where they need to go. Super easy to grab them. These storage containers are the perfect size for these Ziploc bag sizes, and I just love it so much. It's so functional, and you can store these on a drawer or maybe on your pantry, and I really like it. It's a nice way to keep those areas organized. And I DIY this project with only like $5 or $6, and I'm just so happy with how it turned out. For the next project, I'm going to be using this foam ball that I got from Dollar Tree, and these come in a set of 3 and 2, I think. I'm not sure. I think this is like the medium size, and I'm going to be using these and some of these utes. I got this one at Walmart, and I'm basically going to be covering this foam ball with the ute and hot glue. It's super easy to do, and once you're done with that, you can add a little bit of like fire to the ute. This is going to burn the small little hairs that protrudes from the ute, and it's going to give it more like a high-end look, and it's going to give it, I think, like more texture and color. I do these in all my projects when I work with rope. Then I'm going to be using these. I think the name of these is Carrot Vase. I got it from Dollar Tree, and I love the shape it has, and I think it's perfect to add it on my kitchen. So basically what I'm going to be doing is to put this bowl on top it's going to work like a lid, and I love it. And I think it looks super cute. You maybe can add some water or something like that. I'm going to be using these for only decoration purposes. I think it's going to look so cool on my kitchen, and I love the idea. My loves, I really hope that you like and that you enjoyed today's video, that you have fun, and that you can get some ideas and inspiration to DIY projects for your kitchen and to use them to organize your stuff. Let me know in the comments which of these projects is one of your favorites. I think mine is the Ziploc bag storage organization, but let me know which one is yours in the description box, and make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up, that you are subscribed to this channel, and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I'm going to be uploading new videos. Remember to follow me on Instagram. I have been posting so many photos and reels and stories, so please follow me. The link is going to be in the description box, as well as my webpage jazomy.com and all of my social media pages. Thank you so much for all the love and support, and see you on my next video. Mwah! Bye guys!